related with Calculus 1. This is your teacher, Ameerul, and today we are going to discover about related rates. In the differential calculus, related rates problem involve finding rate at which a quantity changed by relating that quantity to other quantities whose rate of change are known. In simple terms, finding rate of change of an object. How to solve related rates problem? Just follow these 4 simple steps. Step 1. Draw and label. Step 2. Find the formula. Step 3. Differentiate. And lastly, you can solve the question. Now let's do a question. A conical cup is 4 cm across and 6 cm deep. Water leaks out of the bottom at the rate of 2 cm cubic per second. How fast is the water level dropping when the height of the water is 3 cm? Now step 1, we need to draw and label. From the drawing, we know the radius is 2 cm and the height of the cone is 6 cm. The water level decreases at 2 cm cubic per second, which is our dV over dt. The height of the water is 3 cm and we are looking for dH over dt. Now we need to formula volume of a cone, but we need to find the radius first. And we know R over H is 2 over 6, which is, we can simplify it to 1 over 3. And now we have the value of R, which is 1 over 3 times H. Insert the value of R to the formula, simplify it, where it's going to be 1 over 27 times pi times H cubed. And this is the formula that we are going to use. Step 3. Differentiate. So we will take d over dt to the left side and d over dt to the right side. And when we differentiate it, we will get dv over dt on the left side and dh over dt on the right side. And we're going to simplify it. And since we are looking for dh over dt, we are going to move dh over dt to the left side. Now our question is dh over dt equal to dv over dt times 9 over pi h squared. We already have the value of dv over dt and the value of the h. So what we need to do right now is solve the equation. We're going to insert the value of dv over dt and the value of the h. And when we simplify it, we will get dh over dt equal to negative 2 times 9 over 9 pi. And we all know 9 over 9 pi is 1 over pi. And when negative 2 times 1 over pi, the final answer will be negative 2 over pi. This is the answer for the questions. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach the topic of maximum and minimum problem or optimization problems in Calculus 1. So, what's the definition? The definition is a function f has an absolute maximum at if f prime is equal and greater than function x in the domain, and same goes to minimum. It will occur if f prime is equal and less than function x in the domain. So, why do we use differentiation? We use differentiation to find the unknown variables. So, we already know the definition and why we use differentiation in this topic. Let's try to do one simple question. Oh wait, before that, how to solve the question? There are 6 steps to solve. First, we must draw the diagram and label the dimension, but there are some questions that are already given the diagram, so we can just skip to the second step, which is find the formula or equation of the dimension to be maximized or minimized. Make sure that the formula is in one variable. If there are 2 variables, we need to manipulate it so that there will only be one variable there. So the third step is differentiate the formula, meaning that we need to equate the derivative with 0, then find the value of the dimension. Next step, we should find the second derivative to test whether the dimension is a maximum or minimum value. Then the fifth step is to find the value of other dimension. Last but not least, we need to find the value either area or volume that need to be maximized or minimized. So, let's see the question given. Find the formula of the largest open-top rectangular that has a square base and a total surface area of 3600 cm square. So now, because the box is open at the top, we just have the area of the base. If the top box was closed, we can have 2x squared because there will be top and a bottom. So 4 sides each x by y, and that total surface area is 3600. Just now I said that we need to manipulate the equation if there are two variables, so I just move the x squared and 4x to the left side. Next, to find the volume, the x squared will multiply with y. But just now we already got the y equation, so we just need to substitute it into the volume equation. So after we simplify it, we got 900x minus 1 over 4x cubed as the volume. After that, we need to differentiate the volume that we just got just now, and we got 3 over 4x squared equal 900. Then we apply the third and fourth step to get the x value. Next, we substitute the x value into the y equation to get the value of y. Lastly, we use the formula to find the volume of the rectangle. Then we will get 20,760 cm cubed as the volume. So, the conclusion is we can find that there are some connections between applied maximum and minimum problems with differentials. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi! Let's go to the next topic with me. The topic is integration and presented by me, HASYIMAH ZULAIKHA. If you guys ever wonder what is integration, well, actually I can help you with that question. So, let's go! In calculus, integration is the inverse of differentiation, integrating a given function whose derivative is the given function. Integration is used to compute such things as the area and volume of irregular shapes and solids. The objective today actually to know the application of integration. How can we apply the integration in calculation? Application of integration is actually divided into two, which is area between curve and volume. Let's go more details on how to calculate area between curve using integration. Areas between curve has two cases. First case is cross-section parallel to y-axis. And the second one is cross-section parallel to x-axis. Let's try to answer the example question. The question is regarding the first case, which is cross-section parallel to y-axis. It has provided the graph. Question: based on the function given, find the area of the shaded region. Let's do analysis to this question first. Well, the graph already states the function which is y equal to 6x minus x squared, and it is from the top of the curve. Then we need to find the function of the bottom. Let's take a look. The graph actually started at the origin, which is the coordinate is 0, 0. So it means that the y-axis and the x-axis is 0. So we can say that the function is y equal to 0, since the case is parallel to the y-axis. From the analysis, let's substitute the information into the formula. The formula is area equal to limit a to b, function on the top minus function on the bottom, dx. With the information that we get, substitute it into the formula, which is a is 0 and b is 4, and substitute the function. So here we use the rule of integral that we need to plus 1 to the power and need to divide it with the power. Then we substitute the limit given into the x. Use your calculator, and then we find that the area is 26 3 over 2 unit square. That's all. Good luck!
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, and may all of you have a blessed and cherished day. Hi, my name is NURUL SYAHIERA BINTI MOHAMMAD OZMAN. Oh, that is my picture, and I am the last presenter of this video. Hopefully you guys will stay watching till the end, okay? I will teach you how to solve a volume question. As you need to know, volume are divided into 3 parts. Firstly is this method. Second is washer method. Last is cylindrical method. So today, I would like to share with you how to answer using this method. Oh, next, the formula. The formula is volume is equal to pi integrate from a to b fx squared dx. If you are feeling curious, you may read what I attached down to the formula. Now, we will go straight ahead to our question. Is it scary? Don't worry, I am with you. So, this is the question. Find the volume of the cone generated by rotating y equal to square root of x around the x-axis for y less than or equal to 2. First step, we need to draw based on the information given. We must sketch it into the axis of y and x. Second step will help you to understand more about the solid shape. Only if you want to, you can take another example, cross-section inside the shape. I usually will draw one inside it. So, we have to take the integral of the area. The question is, what is the area? Well, if you rotate it around an axis, we just get a bunch of circles. So, if we take a look at this cross-section, yes, we have a radius here. The radius in this case is the distance from the x-axis to the curve. If you notice, we are already given the radius by the function. So, the radius is y equal to square root of x. We all know how to calculate the area of the circle. Let's say the area of x. So, we need to find the area of x by equal it to pi r squared. And voila! We will get the area for pi x. Now, we can continue finding the volume. This is where you use the volume formula. After doing all the counting, you will get the answer as per written. And your answer should be 2 pi. Thank you for watching this video and please don't mind to like and comment. Bye!
So the conclusion of the video is, before answering, understand the question first and list all the information given by the question. Proceed the formula and follow the step-by-step method you have learned.